Hello children. How are you today? I am Om, a storyteller. Today I take a new humorous and funny story in English with moral. Title: The Jungle Cake Strain. Deep in the heart of a dense jungle, where sunlight barely filtered through the thick canopy, three friends Alex, Sarah, and Mark found themselves gathered around a crackling campfire. The air was heavy with the scent of damp earth and the sounds of nature's symphony. Alex, with a mischievous glint in his eye, produced a small bag of vibrant green herbs. "I managed to get my hands on something special," he announced. "It's called jungle cake. They say it's the best strain out there." Sarah's eyes widened with excitement. "I've heard about it. They say it's like embarking on a wild adventure in your mind." Mark, always up for trying something new, nodded eagerly. "Let's give it a go. Pass it over." One by one, they took turns inhaling the fragrant smoke from a makeshift pipe, passing it around the circle. As the effects of the jungle cake began to take hold, the atmosphere around them shifted, becoming charged with an electric energy. Sarah couldn't contain her laughter, feeling as though she were floating on a cloud. Mark found himself mesmerized by the flickering flames of the fire, as if they held the secrets of the universe. And Alex, leaning back against a fallen log, marveled at the kaleidoscope of colors dancing behind his closed eyelids. With newfound courage and a sense of adventure coursing through their veins, the trio set off deeper into the jungle, guided by the tantalizing allure of the jungle cake. As they ventured further into the wilderness, the effects of the potent strain intensified. Sarah couldn't shake the feeling of déjà vu, questioning whether they had traversed these paths before. Mark, undeterred by her uncertainty, pressed on, his keen instincts leading the way. And Alex, though plagued by a growing sense of unease, found solace in the camaraderie of his friends. Suddenly, amidst the dense foliage, they stumbled upon a hidden clearing bathed in dappled sunlight. At its center stood a towering tree, its gnarled branches reaching skyward like ancient sentinels. "Wow, look at that tree," Alex breathed in awe. Approaching cautiously, Sarah noted the intricate markings etched into the tree's bark. "It's so majestic," she whispered. Mark, ever the explorer, ventured closer, his curiosity piqued. "And it's covered in these strange symbols." As they inspected the tree, they noticed a faint glow emanating from its base, a soft, ethereal light that seemed to beckon them forward. "What's that?" Alex asked, his curiosity piqued. Without hesitation, Sarah gestured towards the glow. "Let's find out." With trepidation and excitement intertwining, they approached the base of the tree, where they discovered a hidden chamber concealed within its roots. Inside, they found themselves surrounded by a trove of ancient artifacts and symbols, each whispering tales of a forgotten time. "This is incredible," Mark exclaimed, his eyes alight with wonder. "It's like we've stumbled upon a lost civilization." Alex, his fingers tracing the intricate patterns carved into an ancient artifact, couldn't shake the feeling of familiarity that washed over him. "I wonder what all this means." Sarah, drawn to a glowing stone nestled among the relics, reached out tentatively, her fingertips tingling with a strange, otherworldly energy. "It feels powerful," she murmured. As they delved deeper into the chamber, the effects of the jungle cake intensified, blurring the lines between reality and imagination. Time seemed to lose all meaning as they became lost in the mysteries of the jungle. Lost in a labyrinth of winding paths, fear threatened to consume them. Alex's heart pounded in his chest as he frantically searched for an escape route, while Sarah's mind raced with thoughts of being trapped in this surreal maze forever. Yet, amidst the chaos and uncertainty, Mark remained steadfast, guiding them forward with unwavering determination. Then, as if by some stroke of divine intervention, they stumbled upon a moonlit clearing, its ethereal glow offering a beacon of hope amidst the darkness. "Look, there's a way out," Sarah gasped, her voice trembling with relief. With newfound resolve, they raced towards the clearing, their footsteps echoing through the night as they emerged from the jungle's grasp. Breathless and exhilarated, the friends collapsed onto the soft grass, their minds reeling from the intensity of their experience. "That was intense," Alex gasped between breaths. Sarah nodded in agreement, her eyes wide with wonder. "I've never felt anything like it." Mark, his gaze fixed on the star-studded sky above, reflected on their journey. "It's like the jungle cake unlocked something deep within us." As they sat in silence, the magnitude of their shared adventure washing over them, Alex finally spoke up. "I don't think I'll ever forget this." Sarah, her heart swelling with gratitude, reached out to grasp her friend's hands. "Me neither. It's like we've been changed by the experience." Mark, a smile playing at the corners of his lips, raised his gaze to meet theirs. And it all started with a little taste of jungle cake. With a shared laugh and a renewed sense of camaraderie, they rose to their feet, their bond stronger than ever before. Gathering around the campfire once more, the flickering flames casting long shadows across their faces, they toasted to new adventures and the enduring magic of the jungle cake strain. As they passed around the small bag of herbs once more, their laughter echoed through the night, a testament to the power of friendship, exploration, and the boundless wonders of the jungle. Thank you for watching this story. If you liked this story, then please subscribe so that you can get the new series of our upcoming stories from time to time. Thank you. Have a nice day.